said, you need clients. And when you're a new attorney, you need to have clients coming in the door. And people aren't just going to refer you clients because you've been a good attorney for so long, because you're new. And you need to get these people, you need to find clients, you need to spend some money to do that. And this is a good investment. The system is really good, and they keep good track of who's calling and who's coming in and what you've done with them. And so my staff uses their system to keep track of the clients and how they tried to speak to them and what their response was. So the system itself works really well. They're always sending me an email, how you doing, what's happening, can we help you, what's going on? And so they're very helpful if there's ever a problem. And I've rarely had a problem. Well, like I said, you can't do business without clients. And I get a lot of clients from Legal Match. And so that's where my business is. I don't think I could even run my business without the clients that I get from Legal Match. Probably more than half of my clients are from Legal Match. You can't do business without clients, and Legal Match brings me the clients. Legal Match has continued to provide me clients throughout the virus. And it's been very tough because people don't want to come out. And I haven't had a client in the office since March, but I do everything by phone or by Zoom. People still have problems, even with the virus. And they get on Legal Match, they're looking for an attorney, and they'll be looking for you. Well, I like that the people who need me can find me there. And, that's the most important thing, is that the clients get to you. And clients who need me fill out their Legal Match form, they send it to me, I answer them as quickly as possible. I make sure that I have a series of templates that I can use depending on what kind of question the client has. But I love that I can get these people. I know what their case is about before I talk to them. And that's really important. I get like 3 to 5 a day generally, and I probably get at least 20 a week. Half of those, something beyond the initial consult. Like I said, I've been an employment attorney for 30 years, and I've used different systems, and I've probably been on Legal Match for 10 years. And I've canceled other systems, and I'm still using Legal Match. Well, like I said, the important thing is that you contact the potential clients. You contact them quickly. You'll let them know in your contact what you've done, why you're qualified, what their problem is, what kind of issue you see there. Let them know that if they don't get back to you quickly, that that your office is going to contact them. You need to let them know about the statute of limitations, because that's always important. And you need to let them know that they need to call you quickly. And so if you mention several statutes of limitations, that may help them get them in the door quickly and get some urgency for the client.